What is the one word for something that baffles understanding and cannot be explained? The correct answer is enigma. What is the one word for cause to lose courage? The correct answer is daunt. What is the one word for hinder or prevent the progress or accomplishment of? The correct answer is stymie. What is the one word for having or showing knowledge and skill and aptitude? The correct answer is adept. What is the one word for a high standing achieved through success or influence? The correct answer is prestige. What is the one word for equipped for use with charged energy? The correct answer is electrify. What is the one word for cause to continue or prevail? The correct answer is perpetuate. What is the one word for requiring attention or action? The correct answer is imperative. What is the one word for learn or discover with confidence? The correct answer is ascertain. What is the one word for marked by sound judgment? The correct answer is prudent. What is the one word for scold or criticize severely? The correct answer is chastise. What is the one word for uninterrupted in time and indefinitely long continuing? The correct answer is incessant. What is the one word for worthy of religious veneration? The correct answer is hallowed. What is the one word for of disease capable of being spread by infection? The correct answer is contagious. What is the one word for large in number or quantity? The correct answer is copious. What is the one word for a retaliatory action against an enemy? The correct answer is reprisal. What is the one word for a group or class of persons enjoying superior status? The correct answer is elite. What is the one word for flow over or cover completely? The correct answer is engulf. What is the one word for set up or lay the groundwork for? The correct answer is institute. What is the one word for a sudden sharp feeling? The correct answer is pang.